Let's talk about the Profoto Air Remote. So I'm just going to bring back the Air Sync to compare. Apart from the obvious differences, you can see it says Air Sync or Air Remote at the top. So you can see that the top two sections of these units are identical. The difference is you now have more remote control over the lights. You can turn the heads on or off, you can turn the modeling lights on or off, and you control the power by the energy switch up and down. The remote features of the sync are compatible with any Profoto product that has a digital control display. We also have the option of assigning lights into different groups, as well as activating all the groups at once with the master switch. To speed up connectivity, you can also hold down the mode button for 10 seconds. Right, a pro tip. The Air Remote is still one of the most popular syncs, and the reason is because it has the mini jack input and outputs, allowing you to connect to any old analog camera or any brand of flash.